video, I'm going to show you how to add a chat box to your OBS stream. This method uses Streamlabs.com, who make the best chat box out there, and it's completely free. First, go to Streamlabs.com and log in via Twitch. Then navigate to all widgets on the left-hand side of the site. You'll see chat box there as one of their favorites. So click that and adjust the settings to your preference. Enable BetterTTV, FrankerFaceZ, and 7TV emotes if you want your chat to really love you. And then hit save settings at the bottom of the page. Now at the top, hit copy next to your widget URL. Once it's copied, you'll want to go and paste this into a browser source on your OBS. Open up OBS and click on the sources panel. This is usually located at the bottom or right side of the screen. Next, click on the plus button to add a new source, and from the drop-down menu, select browser. A new window will appear, and in the URL field, enter the widget URL from Streamlabs we've just created. You can also customize the width and height of the chat box by adjusting the width and height fields. Once you've entered the URL and adjusted the size to your liking, click on the add source button to add the chat box to your sources list. You can then resize and position the chat box as desired on your canvas. If you'd now like to learn how to add a browser source on OBS and Streamlabs, then click here. Or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.